Hello friend, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In last video we have been discussing about some important question on diagnostic tools or procedure. In test series of fundamental of nursing, today's topic is oxygen administration multiple choice question. These questions are very important question for upcoming exam of nursing officer. In this video we will discussing some important question on oxygen administration topic. Now first question is high concentration oxygen supply in newborn may lead to which complication. In this question the complication asked by high concentration oxygen supply in newborn or preterm baby. This question is very important question, and previously in previous exam this is asked many time. Now option A dyspnea means labored breathing. Option B hypoxia. Option C retrolental fibromyalgia. Option D none of these. The right option is C retrolental fibromyalgia. Option C is correct option. Next question number 2. Humidify oxygen should be given because of. Friends, in this question the reason of humidify oxygen is asked. Option A oxygen is hot air can burn trachea. Option B oxygen is dry air can thicken mucus. Option C it absorbs better in body. Option D none of these. The reason of humidify oxygen administration is correct option is option B oxygen is dry air can thicken mucous membrane. This is correct option. This question is also important question and make 95% chance in upcoming exam. Next question is which is the highest oxygen concentration delivery system. There are many delivery system of oxygen in hospitals. In this question the highest concentration delivery system, which is highest oxygen concentration delivery system. Option A partial rebreather mask. Option B red color venturi mask. Option C nasal cannula. Option D non rebreather mask. In this question the correct option is non rebreather mask. This question is also very important question and asked frequent time. In non rebreather mask the oxygen concentration is between 90 to 100%, and option A partial rebreather mask the oxygen concentration delivery system, the highest oxygen can deliver by this partial rebreather mask 60 to 90%, and red color venturi mask 60% oxygen can delivered oxygen concentration. Then the right option is option D non rebreather mask. This is the highest oxygen concentration delivery system. Next question, non rebreather mask deliver how many percentage of oxygen concentration. I already tell you the percentage of oxygen concentration in non rebreather mask. This is the highest, and then the correct option is option A 90 to 100% is correct option. 90 to 100%. Next question, pulse oximetry is used to measure. The pulse oximetry In this question, the purpose of what is the use of pulse oximetry? Option A, option percentage of hemoglobin in arterial blood saturated with the oxygen. Option B is percentage of oxygen in blood. Option C is percentage of oxygen in tissue, and option D none of these. The correct option is percentage of hemoglobin. Percentage of hemoglobin in arterial blood. Which blood? Arterial blood saturated with the oxygen. The percentage of hemoglobin in arterial blood saturated with oxygen. The blood which is saturated by oxygen, the percentage it measured by the pulse oximetry. Option A is correct option. Option A is correct option. Percentage of hemoglobin in arterial blood saturated with oxygen. Okay, this question is the very important question, and you should remember this question for upcoming exam. Next question is a fire breakout in your ward. The first action you take. In this question, the first action, which first action you will perform? Option A, call 101 fire brigade. Option B, evacuate the patient from the ward. Option C, shut off the oxygen supply. Option D, use of fire extinguisher. Friends, this is the first action. First action is option C. Option C is correct. Shut off the oxygen delivery, oxygen supply. At first we shut off the oxygen supply because of oxygen is can burn. Friends, because oxygen is highly supportive for combustion, and the condition may threatening if this is running. So the first action is shut off the oxygen supply, and then second step is evacuate the patient from the ward, and then call 101 fire brigade, and last do use the fire extinguisher. Okay. You may remember a trick for these steps. The trick is RACE. Which trick? R means rescue. The first step, shut off oxygen supply, and rescue, evacuate. A for alarm. Alarm activate. C call 101 of fire brigade. Call 101 fire brigade. E for fire extinguisher. Okay, you remember this trick for steps when this condition may occur. Next, question number 7, the concentration of oxygen in expired air. In this question, this is the very important question. We know already in inspired air the concentration of oxygen is maximum 21%, because we inspired the oxygen from environment, and we know already the in environment 21% is oxygen available. Then in expired air, the how many percentage of oxygen in expired air? Expired air percentage 16%. This question is the very important question, and may chance in upcoming exam. This will definitely ask in upcoming exam. This you should remember the question. Next, the next question number 8, the percentage and flow of red color Venturi mask. This question is also important question. Red color Venturi mask, how many percentage and flow how much flow this is asked, then the correct option is 35 and 8 liter per minute. In red color Venturi mask is 35 and 8 liter per minute, 35% oxygen or 8 liter per minute. Okay, the next question, which concentration of oxygen may cause toxicity? 9 number question है, which concentration of oxygen may toxicity. Then the correct option is 90%. 90% oxygen concentration may cause toxicity if this is used for few days. The 90% oxygen is very high concentration oxygen and may be toxic. Next question, in ICU ward a patient needs 6 liter oxygen, which delivery system you will prepare? Reference in this question, which prepare you will give in ICU ward if 6 liter of oxygen is need to administer? The correct option is Venturi mask. Venturi mask is the best for given this type of concentration or amount of oxygen. Next question number 11, prolonged oxygen supply may lead to. The complication of oxygen asked in this question, option A is infection, option B is carbon dioxide necrosis, option C is toxicity. The all of above options are right. The correct option is all of above. 12 number question, a patient with chronic respiratory failure is admitted in medicine ward. How much oxygen a nurse give to patient? In this question, the chronic respiratory failure patient admitted in medicine ward and ask how much oxygen a nurse give to patient. The correct option is 1 liter per minute with nasal frogs. Is the best delivery system in chronic respiratory failure patient. This question is asked previous exam many time. So very important question. You should remember the reason of this option 1 liter per minute by nasal frog is because of the chronic respiratory failure patient may, if we will give in high amount of oxygen, the respiratory center will suppress. Then in low amount of oxygen you should give. This is the best for this type of patient. Next question, what is the flow rate of oxygen by nasal cannula? Nasal cannula flow rate, what is the flow rate? The normal flow rate of 1 to 6 liter per minute is the correct option. Correct option है D. Correct option 1 to 6 liter per minute. Next question is what is the normal oxygen saturation? Normal oxygen saturation, how many normal oxygen saturation? This is asked in question. The correct option is 96 to 100%. Option C is correct. Next question, what should be specified avoid during oxygen administration to patient? Then the correct option is smoking, because smoking can combustion and then this may be threatening condition. So option C is right. These are very important question and the chance of asking in upcoming exam is very much. Thanks for watching the video.